Deep in the heart of Africa, the Congolian Rainforest breathes with life. Here, mountain gorillas weave quietly through emerald canopies, sharing the forest with forest elephants carving paths beneath ancient trees. Bright taracos flash like jewels in the mist, while chimpanzees call through the dense green. The rare okapi moves silently among giant ferns, hidden from all but the keenest eyes. Every river ripple, every rustle of the leaves tells a story millions of years in the making. The Congolian Rainforest is a realm of mystery, strength, and breathtaking wonder, a cradle of life that holds the ancient heartbeat of our world.